Hello everyone. Here's a chart displaying percentage by age group. You'll notice the legend at the bottom. By default, the legend markers use the standard shape. While this works well, you may want the legend to match your organization's design standards or make the report easier to read. With bold reports, you can customize the appearance of chart legend markers using a custom attribute called LegendShape. This lets you create more visually appealing, consistent reports. In this video, I'll show you how to customize chart legend shapes using the Bold Reports Report Designer. This approach works with both web and desktop report designers, but I'll be using the web designer for this demonstration. Let's get started. First, open an existing report that contains a chart. In my example, I have a pie chart displaying age group information from a dataset. We'll configure the legend to display a different legend shape. Select the chart and open the Properties panel. Then select Miscellaneous. Here, locate the Custom Attributes property and click Set Attribute. This opens the Custom Attributes dialog, where we can define additional chart settings. I click Add. I enter the attribute name as LegendShape and add the value as circle. This setting changes the legend marker from the default shape to a circle. I click OK to save the attribute. Now everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview in the top panel. As you can see, the legend markers are now displayed as circles. This customization can improve report readability and help align your charts with your organization's preferred visual style. In this video, I have shown you how to customize chart legend shapes in bold reports using the LegendShape custom attribute. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance chart legend appearance and create more polished report designs. To explore more features and start building impactful RDL reports, visit boldreports.com. You can start a free 30-day trial or schedule a personalized demo with our team. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Bold Reports tutorials. Thanks for watching.